I've had these shoes for a couple months now, and they've been great as an everyday walk around shoe at work, but now you can see they're starting to separate there, a little bit on this side too. This side's okay, except for maybe a little bit right there. But it's been comfortable, but they're just falling apart after 2 months. So there you go.
Definitely ordering these again. They fit perfect. Don't mind the cat. They look really nice. I was actually really pleasantly surprised. They look pretty sick. Clean. Not really right now because I've already worn them a couple times, but no, they're tight. I like them a lot. They fit perfect right. First order.